How's it going, everybody? You're watching Dan About Tech, and have you ever asked yourself why Face ID works so well on some people but not so well on others? Well, it has to do with the way you register your face, so with the way you scan your face with Face ID. So today I'm going to show you the proper way to set it up, okay, to scan your face on Face ID, so you're going to improve the accuracy of Face ID by a lot. And at the end, I'm gonna give you an awesome tip regarding Face ID as well, so stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's begin. And first I wanna show you something on the camera app just to explain, and then we're gonna go to settings and actually set it up. So let me open the camera app real quick, and let's just assume this is the Face ID setup part. What a lot of people don't understand is that Face ID really needs to scan every single part of your face. So the left, the right, top, and the bottom part of your face in order for it to work perfectly. This is very, very important. I see that the biggest problem with most people that use Face ID and it doesn't work is because when they're setting it up, they do something like that. So they move their body around. That's not what Face ID setup is about. You don't move your body and keep your face. You have to move your face. Let me show you now in action. So if I open my settings, Face ID and passcode, and then I go to set up Face ID, let me show you in action. So get started, and then as you guys can see, it recognized my face, and then I have to move my face up so it's getting the bottom part of my face. So then keep moving up, left, down, completely down so it gets my forehead, I'm sorry, and everything else. So right, and then the first scan was successful. Okay, and now I have to go to the second scan. It's very important because if you keep moving your face, Face ID will not fail. Face ID will work, but it just won't work very well. So continue, same story here. So up, and then keep moving. So as you guys can see, Face ID definitely saw every single part of my face. So now that you know the correct way, go to your settings, Face ID and passcode, put your passcode, and then you're gonna see this screen. So go ahead, reset Face ID, so reset your own Face ID, and then go ahead and set it up from the beginning, just like I taught you. I guarantee it's gonna be much, much better. Now, as promised, I have an awesome little tip for you guys. A lot of people get really impatient with Face ID, and they get angry that it doesn't work on the first go, and that causes a lot of problem. Why? Because let's say you locked your iPhone and then you unlocked it, and for some reason it just didn't recognize your face. So it didn't recognize, so then the first thing you do, you put the passcode and then you go in. But the problem with that is Face ID is continuously learning your face. It's continuously getting better and getting to know your face. So it is very important that you insist. So if Face ID, for example, doesn't work, and then you get this screen, just go ahead, look at it again, and try again, and keep trying. In the beginning, it may make some mistakes, it may not recognize it perfectly, but just insist on it a little bit, and then I guarantee that by setting it up correctly, like I just showed you, and by using this tip, so keep insisting a little bit, let Face ID actually learn your face. So that's pretty much it. Give it a go and let me know in the comment section down below. Also make sure to go ahead and click on the like button, subscribe button, little bell icon, and everything that you know. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye bye.